Alright guys, I'm going to show you what comes with the Double Beam '08 kit. It's an Osepp. For those familiar with what they usually sell is a bunch of chassis for tanks and stuff like that that are compatible with Arduino kits. Well, what you have in here is for these pieces here, two of these, comes with a little thingy there, tool, and then a bunch of screws, as well as these. And I'm hoping, and the reason why I bought this was to fix a tank that I bought from Walmart. They also sell it on GearBest, which doesn't come with all the parts that you need it to come with for it to work. In fact, the chassis is too short, and so I'm hoping that I can use these to extend the chassis and make the motors work. Anyway, if that turns out to work out, I will make a video on that and how to do that. So hope to see you in the next video.